Every change in education starts with a question: how can we teach better? How can learning go deeper? For years, teachers have carried this mission, guiding minds, shaping values, adapting with grace. Today, as classrooms evolve, one truth stays the same. The teacher remains at the heart of learning. And now, tools are catching up to that vision. Imagine more time to teach, reflect, mentor. Because assessments and reports are handled in minutes, not weeks. That's the promise of QnSmart 4.0. Technology that supports educators rather than replacing them. Question bank in a day, question paper in a minute. At St. John's institutions, Palghar, where values and excellence walk together. This conversation feels right at home. For over 2 decades, IPSR has walked with educators and institutions, strengthening learning ecosystems and championing innovation with purpose. In this spirit, we welcome you to this free National-Level FDP on outcome-based education and application of generative AI in teaching and research. Not just to learn tools, but to reimagine possibility. Because education's future isn't about machines taking over, it's about teachers leading with wisdom and technology lifting the load. With QnSmart 4.0, together with pioneering solutions such as OBE, Vigyana AI and IMAX, we advance into a future of learning and research, shaped by values, wisdom, and purposeful innovation. Here's to teaching with heart, to learning with courage, and building the future together.